Hi everyone, I'm Alistair and welcome back to the Bert Auto Parts tutorial where we teach and you learn. And today we'll be taking breaks. Oh, today we'll be talking brakes. We'll be talking about MK brake shoe and disc pads and unboxing both. So let's drive into it. Okay guys, so we're going to start with brake shoes. Brake shoes are used in drum brake systems and are most common in older vehicles and economic cars. Brake shoes are curved pieces of metal with friction material on one side. When you press on the brake pedal, it squeezes on the inside of the drum and slows the wheel down. Alright, so next up we have the disc pads. So let's unbox and see how they differ from the brake shoe. Okay guys, let's talk uses and advantages. The brake shoe is often found in the rear brake of most vehicles and is ideal as it costs less and is longer lasting in certain conditions. However, in wet conditions, these brake shoes tend to wear out and may also wear the drum out. Disc pads, on the other hand, are preferred for their superior stopping power and performance in various conditions, such as rain and high speeds, and are often easier to inspect and also change. Alright guys, so pulling the handbrake on that video, and that was it for today. Hope you learned something. Now you know the difference between brake shoe and disc pad. And as you know, stay tuned for more helpful tips from the Bert Auto Parts tutorial. And it hurts if you don't check Bert's.